Okay, well, let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, rabbil alamin, wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amma ba'du. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Hi, good afternoon everyone. How is life? I hope that everyone is in a good health. Well, today we are in week 12. So let's see what are the activities in week 12. Let me share the screen. You need to access your LMS. It is Canvas. It is in week 12. So let's see. What are they? Here we go. So let's read together. Introductions to Integrated Week 12. Welcome to Integrated Sections. It is reading and grammar sections. Here is the learning objective. In this meeting, you are expected to understand the concept of future progressive tense comprehensively. The indicators, you can complete the given blank sentences using verb correctly, and also you can identify the future progressive tense, future progressive sentence in the given passage correctly. Let's see the next activity. All right. Since this one is the brainstorming activity of week 12. Dear students, let's play a fun game. Please drag the correct word or phrase to complete the sentence. Let's try. Missing word for future progressive. You just need to drag. Okay. Dennis will be blah, 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 his classical music recital next week. So which one? Is it perform, performs, or perform? Or the last one is performing? Which one? So let's try this number one. Let's submit the answer. Correct. Good. So that's the example for number one. So the rest of the question, you're going to do it independently. Okay. So after doing this game, you need to answer these two questions. The first one's how many questions did you answer correctly? So how many correct answers do you get from the previous activity? So can you guess what are about to learn today? What are we going to learn for today's topic? Share your thought in the discussion box below. So you need to write down the answer here in the chat box. All right, good. So let's do the next activity. Here we go. The future progressive tense. Here is the material about future progressive tense. Let's study the following slides. Okay, future progressive. It is organized by Language Center, University of Muhammadiyah Malang. So here is the explanations about future progressive. Let's see this this drawing. This one is now or the present. This one is the past events. And this one is the future. So what are we going to talk about is the future progressive. So here, the future means yang akan datang ya. So let's read some sentences written here. Let's read sentence A. I will begin to study at 7. Jadi saya akan mulai belajar jam 7. Mungkin sekarang masih jam 5 ya. Saya berkata, I will begin to study at 7. You will come at 8. Lalu teman Anda akan datang ke rumah Anda jam 8. Berarti asumsinya dari jam 7 sampai jam 8, ketika teman Anda datang, Anda masih belajar. Jadi yang Anda katakan adalah, I will be studying when you come. Jadi kalau ada pertanyaan, hey, kira-kira kamu jam 8 nanti malam lagi ngapain? Aku mau ke rumahmu jam 8, misalnya gitu. Oh, I will be studying at 8. I will be studying when you come home. Gitu ya. Okay. Sentence B. Right now I'm sitting in class. At this same time tomorrow, I will be sitting in class. Jadi jam 5 sekarang, katakanlah sekarang jam 5. Right now, I'm sitting in class. Saya duduk di kelas. Besok, dalam waktu yang sama, kemungkinan saya juga masih punya kelas yang sama. Lalu Anda bisa berkata, at the same time tomorrow, I will be sitting in class. Kalau ada pertanyaan, hey kamu besok jam 5 lagi apa? Sedang apa? Oh, I will be, at the same time tomorrow, I will be sitting in class. Kita lihat fungsi dari future progressive itu apa sih? Oke, the future progressive expresses an activity that will be in progress at a time in the future. Jadi future progressive itu menandakan sebuah aktivitas yang akan terjadi, yang akan sedang terjadi dalam sebuah waktu tertentu di masa depan. Jadi waktunya jelas. Misalkan di sini tadi I will be studying when you come. When you come, I will be studying. Jadi penanda waktunya jelas. Yang kedua, penanda waktunya adalah at the same time tomorrow, I will be sitting in class. Jadi penanda waktunya adalah at the same time tomorrow. Jadi kayak ada dua kejadian begitu ya. K2K, konsep dua kejadian. Oke, ada konsep dua kejadian. When you come home, I will be studying. At the same time tomorrow, I will be sitting in class. Gitu ya, itu fungsi dari future progressive tense. Oke, lalu sentence C, ini kenapa kotaknya berbeda, ada penekanan tersendiri. Don't call me at 9 because I won't be home. Jangan telepon aku ya jam 9 karena aku nggak akan ada di rumah. I'm going to be studying at the library. Loh, kamu ngapain? I'm going to be studying at the library. Saya akan belajar di perpustakaan. The progressive form of be going to. Jadi kalau ada be going to, itu formulanya adalah be going to plus be plus verb ing. Jadi I'm going to be studying at the library. Be going to plus be plus verb ing. Okay, good. So the next discussion is D and E. Sentence D, let's read it together. Don't get impatient. She will be coming soon. Don't get impatient. She will come soon. Nah, penjelasannya dari dua kalimat ini adalah sometimes there is little or no difference between the future progressive and the simple future, especially when the future event will occur at the indefinite time in the future, as in D and C. Kadang-kadang tidak ada perbedaan atau nyaris tidak ada bedanya antara future progressive dan simple future. Kalau simple future kan I will be, begitu saja. I will be, lalu I will lalu verb 1. Itu simple future. Kalau simple progressive berarti will plus be plus ing. Nah, hampir tidak ada bedanya ketika the future event will occur at an indefinite time, ketika kalimat itu terjadi dalam waktu yang tidak tentu. Jadi tidak ada waktu penentunya. Indefinite itu tidak tentu, definite itu tentu. Nah, yang atas tadi itu definite. Definite misalkan ada dua kejadiannya. You will when you come, I will be studying. Itu maksudnya definite. Kalau di sini indefinite. Jadi hampir tidak ada bedanya. Seperti contoh di kalimat D dan E. Gitu ya. Oke. Selanjutnya, let's see the activities. Okay, let's discuss week 12. Let's find out the future progressive sentence from the following passage. Write them down on the discussion box below and explain the reasons. Jadi Anda diminta untuk mencari future progressive sentence dalam reading text ini. Reading text-nya cukup singkat, hanya ada 2 paragraf saja. So then you need to find the future progressive tense. Silakan tuliskan, write them down on the discussion box below, and then explain the reason. Kenapa Anda mengatakan itu future progressive? Begitu bisa dimengerti ya? Oke, silakan dituliskan di chat box di sini. Selanjutnya adalah yang terakhir, ini aktivitas terakhir untuk week ini adalah quiz. So it assess your comprehensions about future progressive sentence, the future progressive tense. So graded quiz, points 80. Okay, so this is the criteria, be careful. So that's it. Okay, that's the end of our sessions. I would like to conclude that our today's material is about future progressive tense. So future progressive tense express an activity that is in progress in the future. All right, so thank you very much for your active participations. If you have any questions, you can drop your questions into this LMS or in the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.